So this is where we are starting our video today. I'm in the village and this is what we have. So I need to check what is inside here. It's so strong. So I had planned it on a container, but I will have to remove this switch maybe before tomorrow. So the first thing, this is our home. This is my parents' home. Yes, this was built in 1986 or 87, but it was renovated later. This is a water tank. You can see the compound, and this now where we call it home. Yes, but you can see how it is. Yes, and now this is our store, but down here is used as a house for ships, and this one is for calves. Yes, so it's modified it down. You can have the ships. Down up here is the store for maize. Used to fill maize here some years back, and then now this is our home, and this shows we are in the village. Yes. Is it? It's dairy farming. Power of innovation. So buwan je mbara. Self-refilling. Very smart. It should be clean. This is where they get the water that gets small.